In these next few videos, we're going to talk about Google Drive and file and folder organization and management. So we're in the course outline. We'll go to the Google Drive section. This is the first video, first lesson in this section. So Google Drive is, and you can click on this first link to just jump into your drive. You can also, depending on where you are, you can also just go into any Google product probably and jump into the drive here. Google Drive is the file and folder management software for Google. So it's like Dropbox, it's like your local file and folder management system, just whenever you're in Finder, or if you're on a PC it's different, but it's just the local file system. So Google Drive is the same thing. It's built in on Google servers, so it's in the cloud, as they say, but you can also have versions locally on your computer, as we'll go through, and as you can see, these are just the same file and folder system in my local system, in Google Drive, Google Backup and Sync, and the Google Drive Online. And we'll talk about all these things in more detail in this video series. So this is the Google Drive interface on the web. So I'm just in the browser at my Drive website. And the best way to learn this is to just start clicking around. And then when you're ready to do something, you'll figure out exactly what you need to do then. For now, let's just get the basic intro and click around a little bit. As you can see, you have quick access to some of your recent files here. You have your folder system with other files here. So here I'm in my drive right now. You see my drive, that's the folder I'm in right now. You can go to other folders also, and you can obviously create new files. You have the same thing here, my drive here. So you have my drive here, my drive here. You'll see the same folders here, same folders here. You can see files that were shared with you. If you're linking computers, you can see those here. See recent files you've used, starred files, the trash. Up here you can also get help, and you can click on settings. And again, just click around. You'll learn as you go and figure it out. There's backup and sync, as I mentioned, which is a local version of the file system. You can change the view from right now it's a list to these icons. You can also change which account you're in if you have more than one Google account, from your personal account to your work account to other accounts. And so that's the basics. This is, you can do almost everything you want to do in the web, and we'll get into more detail soon, but you can actually interact with this almost as if it's local on your computer. You can edit files from here, you can navigate from here, so you can go to the folder here, you can go into the folder and the same thing here, and just drop it down. And you'll see, here's all the different folder systems I'll have here, all the stuff going on. And then you can create new files and navigate through the system from here. So it's a really powerful tool, and again, in the next few videos we'll get into a lot more detail on it, but this is a good place to start with Google Drive. Click around, learn it, and you'll see that it's really, really handy way to do all this stuff.